Right. It's the third episode in the series of Pain is a Social Construct, like gender. If you believe you are a goose, you're a goose. If you believe you're a guy, you're a guy. If you got boobs and you think you got a tortoise, you got a tortoise. Now, I'll be demonstrating tonight with my able assistant, Adam Botha, my son, my first glipsy. He will be trying to intimidate me with a piece of indigenous bamboo, what we brought all the way from the hedge on the neighbour's yard. Adam, I'd like you to partake in something. I will ignore you. I'll ignore the camera lady, who's my daughter, second slipsley. Right. What the plan is, he's going to hit me on a bum. Through my interpretation of pain management, I plan to ignore everything what is about to occur. Please don't try this at home, because the headmaster's going to phone you in a head trip, and the people are going to say, the dominee's going to come for huisbesoek. Now, watch and learn. Don't try this at home, because I'm a trained professional. I watched A-Team, and I watched other things. Now, hang on, Adam. I will give you the command when you are to hit me upon my person. Now, Adam, don't try and slice a bliksemshole through me, but give me a nice gentle 5-1 towards the green. Yes, it's Adam, you fucking idiot! Come on, man. It's not as bad as it looks. But I might need some currycrime. Oh, can you believe it? Some oaks took 6 of those. I promise you, you'd have to have set the hostel alight to deserve such a thing. This is not fun anymore. Tomorrow I'm changing the episode to Indigenous Flower Care.